Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you guys a new app which is called Goose. So first you guys have to log in the website which is called goose.com. So basically which is Goose. So Goose is a scavenger hunt that you can play it online. So first you have to create an account, but I already have one here. So then the next step I'm gonna go to my game, and here I haven't really made one which is called Run an App. So how can we create one? So it's pretty simple. You have to come up with an idea, but first you have to come up with a name for the game. So I come up with the name which is Run an App. My game, the player will be finding for the image that the mission is giving and then capture a picture of it. Then when we have a title and the description of the game, then you can have to have a password because later on the player will need that password and the game code over here to get into your game. So the next step is how to create a mission. So it's very simple to create a mission. Here we have three types of mission, which is one photo and video mission. In the photo mission, you have to capture a picture of something that the description of this mission is giving and then capture a picture. The second one is the text mission. The text mission basically you have to highlight some sentence, something in one long text and then send it to the game. And the third one is the GPS mission. In the GPS mission is when I set one location and I will ask you guys a question and then you guys have to know where it's located. So it's very simple to make. Here I already have some example for you guys. So here I have my mission, which is the photo mission, and it's called color hair. There are many of students in our school that dye their hair, so go ahead and find one of them to take a picture. So then you can have to take a picture and then send it to the game, and I can check it later. So it's very simple to use, and when you have it, just save it. And the next step is the participant. So in the participant section, you can choose to play as a team or play by yourself. And if you play as a team, each game there will be 5 team limited can join the game. And individual player, you can have many players you want. And then when you have the game, then ask your friend to download an app called Goose on Google Play Store or App Store. And then just enter the code and you can get into the game. So here I have my 3 player, and in the leaderboard I can see who is in the first place, second place or third place. And when you finish the mission, you can go to submission to see all the photo and the result that all the players have given. So here I have an example for you guys. So that's it. This is how you can use Goose and create it. I hope you guys enjoy it.